Good morning, dear students. In previous class, we were successfully completed our environment chapter. After completion of our environment chapter, today let us see light chapter. Yes, my dear students, in this chapter, we all are discussing about what is mean by reflection of light and mirror, image formation by spherical mirrors, mirror formula, and refraction of light in which lens, and image formation in lenses using ray diagrams, lens formula, and finally power of a lens. Yes, now let us see introductory part of light. Yes, all of you already know light is a form of energy that enables us to see. An object reflects the light ray that fall on it. These reflected light rays, when received by our eyes, make the object visible to us. Yes, my dear students, first of all, it is termed as what one of the energy or one of the form of energy. What happen? Any light is fall on a object, at that time object is deflect light rays. We are able to see through a transparent medium as light is transmitted through it. As all of you already know, yes, transparent mediums like what a vacuum means air, glass, water. Yes, these are the examples of what a transparent medium. The speed of light in vacuum or in air is already known, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. It means light is travel in a straight line. Yes, my dear students, light is travel in a straight line, and speed of light in vacuum or in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Yes, my dear students, now let us see what is mean by reflection of light. Reflection of light. Yes, it is the phenomenon of bouncing back of light rays in the same medium or sinking a smooth surface is called what a reflection of light. Yes, my dear students, once again, first of all, reflection of light is a phenomenon of bouncing back of light or white light rays in the same medium or sticking a smooth surface is called reflection of light. Yes, my dear students, the phenomenon of bouncing back of light rays in the same medium are striking a smooth surface is called reflection of light. Just once again reminded, what is the definition of reflection of light? Yes, my dear students, bouncing back of a light ray in the same medium or sinking a smooth surface is called reflection of light. Yes, my dear students, now let us see laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Yes, there are totally two laws of reflection. All of you already learn in your previous class, it means in an 8th standard, there are totally 2 laws. Yes, it means the angle of incidence, okay, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflected ray. Yes, first law is angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Yes, my dear students, it means lie on a same plane or point of incident. That is the first law of reflection. Angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. As second one, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incident all lie in the same plane. Yes, observe here, it is termed as a normal ray, it is an incident ray and it is an reflected ray, all lie on a same point of a incident. It is the second law of reflection of light. Yes, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Yes, once again remind, okay, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflected rays. Yes, and angle of incident ray, normal ray and angle of reflected rays, these rays of light lie on a same plane. Yes, it is the second law of reflection. Yes, my dear students, for example, silver metal is one of the best reflector of light. A ray of light which is incident normally on a mirror is reflected back along its own path, and laws of reflection can be applied to all kind of reflecting surfaces. Whatever we use that reflect, okay, that is termed as what? There are 2 laws of reflection can be used. Yes, my dear students, now let us see what is meant by image. Image and types of image. And types of image. If light ray coming from a point after reflection meet at another point or appear to meet at another point, then the second point is called the image of the first point. Yes, my dear students, it means if light rays are coming from one point and they can reach what another point, that is termed as what image of the first point. Yes, if light rays coming from a point after reflection meet at another point, then the second point, is called the image of the image of the first point, image of the first point. Is it clear, my dear students? Yes. Now let us see, there are totally two types of images. First one is a real image, and second one is virtual image. Real image and virtual image. Real means if the light ray coming from a point actually meet after reflection, then the image formed is a real image. Yes, my dear students, it means the light rays are coming from a point actually meet after reflection, then the image formed is actual light is traveled and meet at a same point, that is termed as what? A real image. Yes, if the light rays coming from a point actually meet after reflection, then the image is formed is a real image. Yes, my dear students, it means rays are coming from a point actually meet after reflection. That type of images are termed as what? The real image. And virtual means if the light rays coming from a point after reflection does not meet actually, my dear students, here meet actually and does not meet actually what? After reflection, but appear to meet another point, then the image formed is a virtual image. Yes, if the light rays coming from a point after reflection does not meet actually, but appear to meet at another point, then the image formed is called virtual image formed is virtual image. Yes, my dear students, now let us see once again what is meant by real image and what is meant by virtual. Yes, my dear students, the light rays coming from the point actually meet after reflection. Yes, they meet after reflection are termed as what? Real. But in a virtual, the light rays are coming from a point after reflection does not meet actually, but appear to meet at another point is called virtual images. Yes, my dear students, now let us see what is meant by a mirror. Mirror is polished surface. First of all, mirror is termed as what? A polished surface which reflect almost all the light incident on it. Mirror are of two types. First one is plane and second one is spherical. Yes, my dear students. Mirrors are what? They are polished surfaces. Mirrors are polished. Mirrors are polished surfaces. Polished surfaces which reflect almost all the light incident on it. Almost all light incident on it. Yes, my dear students, there are two types of mirrors. Types two. Yes, first one is plane mirror and second one is spherical mirror. Plane mirror and spherical mirror. Now let us see about plane mirror. First type of mirror is plane mirror. Plane mirror. If the reflecting surface which reflect almost all the light incident on it called a plane mirror. Yes, my dear students, what happened here in a plane mirror? Almost all light is reflect on it, or sorry, incident on it is termed as what? A plane mirror. Yes, if the reflecting surface of a mirror is plane, then the mirror is called plane mirror. Mirror is called a plane mirror. Yes, my dear students, in plane mirror, image formed by plane mirror have a different properties. Yes, properties of plane mirror. First property, it is always virtual and erect. Yes, it means after reflection does not mean actually. Yes, and second one, the size of image is equal to the size of object. Yes, my dear students, in plane mirror what happen? The size of a image is always equal to what? The size of the object. And third property, the distance between the image and the mirror is equal to distance between object and the mirror. Yes, my dear students, it means the object as well as mirror and image as well as mirror is equal where in an plane mirror. And fourth property is the image is laterally inverted. It means left seems to be right and vice versa. Yes, we all are already experience where in our day to day life activity. It means the images are always what? Invert. It means seems to be left seems to be right and vice versa. And last one or last property of plane mirror is focal length of a plane mirror is infinite. It means n, and sorry, this is not n. And uses of plane mirror. Plane mirrors are commonly used as a looking glass in making periscope as well as in an kaleidoscope. Yes, my dear students, these are the uses of plane mirrors. And now let us see about spherical mirrors. Second one is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. If the reflecting surface of the mirror is curved inward or outward, then the mirror is called a spherical mirror. Yes, my dear students, the mirror is plane, that is termed as what? A plane mirror. But in a spherical, the mirror is curved inward as well as outward, is termed as what? A spherical mirror. Yes, definition of spherical mirror is if the reflecting surface of the mirror is curved inward or outwards, inwards or outwards, then the mirror is called spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. Yes, my dear students, in an spherical mirror there are also two types. Yes, the spherical mirror with inward curve reflecting surface is called a concave. Yes, my dear students, there are two types. There are two types of spherical mirror. Yes, first one is concave mirror and second one is convex mirror. Yes, now let us see about concave mirror. First one is concave mirror. Yes, my dear students, the spherical mirror with inward curved reflecting surface is called a concave mirror. Yes, my dear students, it means it is also termed as a convergent mirror. Why? Because a beam of light generally converges after reflection from such surfaces, hence it is termed as what? The convergent mirror. Yes. The spherical mirror with inward reflecting surface is called concave mirror. Is called a concave mirror. Yes, my dear students, and also it is termed as what? A convergent mirror. Why it is convergent? Why it is called as a convergent mirror? Yes, my dear students, what is takes place here? The process of converge takes place after reflection. The rays are converge after reflection. For example, the inner curved surface of shining spoon can be considered as a concave mirror. Yes, my dear students. Now let us see about second one. Our second type of a spherical mirror is convex mirror. Convex. The spherical mirror with outward curved reflecting surface is called what? A convex lens, and also it is termed a convex mirror, and also it is termed as what? A divergent mirror. Yes, the spherical mirror The spherical mirror with outward reflecting surface is called convex mirror. It is also termed as what? A divergent mirror. Because it diverge after reflection. Yes, my dear students. Example, the outer curved surface of shining spoon can be treated or considered as a convex mirror. Yes, my dear students, in today's class, we all are discussed about introductory part of light chapter, in which first one is reflection of light. It means what is meant by reflection of light? It means it is the phenomenon of bouncing back of a light ray in the same medium is termed as what? Reflection of light. Afterwards, laws of reflection. It means angle of incident is equal to angle of the reflection or reflected ray. Second one, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal ray at the point of incident all lie in the same plane. Afterward, my dear students, what is image and types of a image? It means real as well as virtual image. And afterward, the definition of mirror and types of a mirror. It means plane mirror as well as spherical mirror. Finally, in a spherical mirror, we all are discussed about what is meant by concave mirror and what is meant by convex mirror and their examples. Yes, thank you, my dear students.